Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be reading Meet Mario. If you have the same book, please read along and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Meet Mario! Mario is a cheerful person who is no stranger to adventure in the Mushroom Kingdom. The Mushroom Kingdom is a peaceful place. But when there's trouble, Mario can be counted on to save the day. Luigi is Mario's friendly brother. Luigi tries to be brave, but he is timid and afraid of ghosts. Even so, he is willing to join his brother on any adventure. Donkey Kong is known for his great strength and red tie. Bananas are Donkey Kong's favorite food. Yoshi is laid back and likes to eat fruit. He helps Mario by using his long tongue to gobble up enemies. He can flutter his legs to jump really high and avoid danger. Toad is one of the citizens of the Mushroom Kingdom. He is loyal, cheerful, and polite. He's always happy to help Princess Peach whenever he's needed. Princess Peach is the princess of the Mushroom Kingdom. She tries many things, including adventuring, sports, and kart racing. Daisy is the princess of Sorna's land. She is full of energy. She also enjoys playing sports and kart racing. Rosalina. The mysterious Rosalina came from outer space with little Luma, the lost star child. With her powerful star wand, Rosalina is always calm in the face of danger. Toadette lives in the Mushroom Kingdom. She is brave and always ready for adventure. Bowser, Mario's biggest and baddest foe, is Bowser. With his pointy horns, his fiery red hair, and the spiky shell on his back, Bowser is also the mighty King Koopa. Bowser Jr. is Bowser's energetic son. He wears a bandana painted to look like a mysterious mouse. He thinks it makes him look older. Bowser Jr. is mischievous and more than a little naughty. Kooplings. Armed with magic wands and other powerful weapons, the Kooplings are always trusted and devoted helpers of Bowser. Their names are Lemmy, Wendy, Morton, Iggy, Roy, Lidwig, and Larry. Wherever there's a disturbance, the Kooplings are almost always involved. Only Bowser's mighty minions stand between him and Mario. Bowser's minions can be found everywhere, marching in fields, hiding in pipes, and even swimming underwater. Koopa Troopa, Spiny, Lakuta, Goomba, Piranha Plant, Kamek. Bowser may be a lot of trouble, but Mario's friends gain courage and stand up to Bowser when they hear Mario say, "Here we go!"